and welcome back to another Mastering YouTube video. In today's video, we are going to talk about the YouTube SEO for beginners. So if you are new on YouTube and you are trying to figure out what is SEO, how do I make it work for me? Or if you've been on there for a while and you just can't figure it out, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the YouTube SEO. All right, let's first talk about what is SEO. It stands for Search Engine Optimization. So this is the YouTube brain trying to figure out what videos work best for what viewers. And you want to optimize your videos for that to reach your audience. Now I say your audience because you don't want to make content for everyone. You want to figure out who your audience is, and that is how you are going to optimize your SEO best. Now, big thing when it comes to the SEO is keywords. So in your niche, what are some major keywords? If you're a gaming channel, this could be VR, this could be Roblox, this could be Xbox. I'm not a gaming channel, so knowing your niche is very important when knowing these keywords. My main channel is a cleaning channel, which a lot of you guys may already know. So keywords for me are going to be like clean with me, cleaning motivation, whole house clean, how to clean your house, things like that. So I want to know what is the most trending keywords in my niche to optimize my search engine optimization. Now the other thing with the SEO is you definitely want to make sure you are not only putting these words in your title, but you also want to put all of your SEO in your description. Now don't spam your description box with just random search engine keywords. YouTube is smarter than that and it's not going to do you any good. However, to come up with a good paragraph in there with them. So example for my cleaning channel, I can put things like, I'm so excited you decided to join me in today's Clean With Me. And with this cleaning motivation video, you are going to learn how to clean your refrigerator, organize your bedroom, and really get the motivation to clean your house. Now that was really just quick to my brain. If I sit down and think about it, I could figure out a lot better one. But figuring out that paragraph where you're hitting those keywords, but it's not just this, and you're just spamming your box. Now, same goes to your tags. You want to put relevant, big keyword, relevant keywords in your tags. So you're gonna put clean with me or whatever, and put the most relevant first. If you're doing a VR gaming channel, maybe put VR, virtual reality, and then whatever game you're playing, and then you can start adding in gameplay and all the other stuff. But put your most relevant keywords for your SEO at the top. Next thing with keywords is say them. In your video, say them. Here you will see that I have said SEO, search engine optimization, YouTube for beginners. I have said all of these words and I have tried to say them multiple times. YouTube's brain is very smart. It is not just reading, but it is also listening to everything you say. Next thing for the YouTube SEO, consistency. Consistency is huge. Now, this does not just mean date and times. I'm talking about figure out what day you're posting, what time of the day you're posting, and how long are your videos. Now this last one, often people have never heard about. What do you mean, how long are my videos? That is a big deal because a lot of people know YouTube pays attention to how long people are watching your videos. And if you look in your YouTube studios, you will find that they will say, your video is doing great, it is getting more watch time than usual, or your video is not doing so well, the watch time is lower. Sometimes this can purely be affected by posting a 30-minute videos and then posting a 10-minute videos. If your video on average gets 50% watch time and you've been posting 30-minute videos, well, that's 15 minutes. That's going to have YouTube super excited. But then you post a 10-minute video and you're still only getting 50% watch time. Well, now your retention is only 5 minutes. This is dramatically going to affect your SEO. So try and not only be consistent on I'm posting Friday at 2 p.m., but you are posting Friday at 2 p.m. and it is a 15-minute video or it is a 10-minute video. Obviously, there can be some leeway, but be consistent. I know on my cleaning channel, I try and stick with a 30-minute video. It may vary by a couple minutes over, a couple minutes under. I may throw a marathon video in there that's 2 hours, but I am very consistent to stick within that 30-minute window. Next big tip for the YouTube search engine optimization is niche down. If you have a cooking channel and you're just cooking everything and you are a new channel, if you are a big channel, a lot of times you can get away with cooking everything. You've already built your influence, you have your community. However, if you are a new channel, niche down. Now with cooking, that could be maybe you're going to do 30-minute meals. Maybe you're going to do crock pots. Maybe you're going to do air fryer meals. But figure out where you want to be and niche down and be consistent with those niching downs. Once you build your audience, maybe throw in something new, sprinkle it in. Go off of the 90-10 rule. 90% is going to be what you are known for, how you grew your channel. That's what your videos are going to be about. 90% of your content is going to be those quick, easy crock pot menus. But then maybe you sprinkle in some holiday appetizers come Christmas or Easter or Thanksgiving. Last huge tip when it comes to your SEO or search engine optimization is going to be engagement. Engagement is huge. YouTube is going to look and see how many comments are down below, likes, dislikes. So ask your audience to engage. So, hey, you guys are here to learn about YouTube. Leave in the comments below what you want to see a video on. What are you struggling with? What do you need help with? Let me know in the comments below, and I will definitely make sure to do a video on that for you. Now, that was an example, but for real, leave a comment down below. Also, asking people to like. If you learned something from today's video, hit that like button. It helps out my channel. It helps show YouTube that you guys are getting what you need from this video. So give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos coming soon. These are all things that are very important. Now, I realize that I did that, one, because I want you to do all those things that I said, but two, those are things you need to implement into your videos. Get that engagement, make people subscribe, make people hit the thumbs up button and comment below. Give them reasons to and remind them throughout your video. Doing these things will optimize your channel and make the SEO work for you. So implement these different strategies and you are going to notice a huge difference in the views you get here on YouTube.